Welcome to Xyram's Wow Factor series, where we showcase how our innovative solutions drive success for our clients. Today, we focus on a leading manufacturing company in India and how we address their challenges in procurement and logistics. Our client faced significant challenges in their procurement processes. They were relying heavily on channel partners for component procurement, leading to unnecessary commissions despite having direct collaboration facilities with OEMs. Additionally, the manual identification of packing box sizes for various products during the picking and packing process was time-consuming and inefficient, causing delays in deliveries. Furthermore, increased turnaround time was a major concern due to unmet digital approval requirements, slowing down the entire procurement workflow. At Xyram, we conducted a thorough analysis of the existing application landscape and identified the root causes of these challenges. We conducted due diligence to assess current processes and sanitary measures. This allowed us to design a process reset, replacing custom flows with suitable standard flows. We defined end-to-end traceability and integrated disparate systems for clear visibility throughout the procurement process. Pilot tests were conducted, and a seamless data migration plan was executed to ensure a smooth transition. The results were remarkable. By enabling direct vendor collaboration through SAP S for HANA to vendor applications using Restful APIs, we significantly reduced procurement costs and improved turnaround times. Our FIORI apps provided the client with enhanced visibility of data staging at various levels, empowering better decision-making capabilities. Automation of packaging requirements eliminated manual calculations, further improving turnaround times and leading to efficient cost savings while completely reforming procurement and logistics planning functions. At Xyram, we are committed to transforming the manufacturing landscape through innovative SAP solutions. Contact us today to learn how we can help your business achieve its goals.